Well, Bob, you're actually staying at the same hotel I am. You probably don't know that, but I do, because I saw you tool in this yesterday, and I thought, what in the world is that thing? And so I ask you again, what in the world is that thing?
It's a forward control Jeep 170.
Forward control is the model name?
Yeah, forward control 170.
And is that, I mean, forward control, does that mean this kind of, you're out here
Because
in
you're
front of
sitting
the engine?
you're over the front wheels, yeah.
So it's kind of their version of a cab over almost
Yeah.
in designation. What year?
60.
I've never seen one of these. How many did they make?
I don't know for sure. I don't know the exact production numbers.
But not many.
Not many.
Had you ever seen another one, or
Every once in a while, I'll see one in a magazine.
is that right? And
Yeah.
were you did you go after this thing, or did you stumble upon it?
Stumbled upon it. My dad's friend had, he bought this one and a flatbed. And
A forward control flatbed?
yeah, roughly 20 years ago, brought him back from Colorado, and I seen this one, I was like, that's different.
Yeah.
Let's tackle it.
Well, so was it in pretty nice shape?
It was okay. It had some rust issues, and it used to be a tow truck, and the bed
wow.
was not good.
Right,
It
right.
was pretty well
Where do you
beat
get
up.
parts for something like this?
Find a parts truck,
Really?
or you make some of
Or
the
you make
pieces.
them.
Yeah,
It's wild. Part of it is just how doggone tall it is.
Yeah.
I mean that thing's like 7.5 feet tall or so. 7 feet tall? What is it?
it's a little under 7 feet because it just makes it in the front garage.
Well, it's so crazy, and I love the non-interior. I mean, dash wise, you got one gauge,
You got one gauge and you got headlights and wipers. That's it.
but you have a heater in this.
That was an option according to the brochure.
No kidding. Wow.
Yeah.
A heater. Well, I guess it came from Colorado. You'd want it there. I don't know if
Yeah.
you need it here in California, but you have 3 levers there. Obviously, transmission, and then your 4-wheel drive.
And
What's
the
the third
third
one?
is overdrive.
Was that an option too?
No, my brother and I added that.
Oh wow. So, well, I would imagine it comes in handy, because this thing probably could do 45 miles an hour, maybe
50 if you push it.
50.
Yeah.
50. Now with the overdrive, what can you do?
70.
70?
Yeah, 70 is a little hairy, but 65 it runs nice.
Wow. Well, these are probably the stock seat frames, but you've tricked them up a little bit.
Yeah, yeah.
Tons of headroom. And I kind of like that flat steering wheel. Like you're driving a bus.
Yeah.
Ralph Crandon. But it's a cool looking machine with really quite a long bed. I mean, how long is this baby?
9 foot.
Man, you got plenty of room for your diamond plate toolbox there.
Yeah.
And I like this spare. These are also were the stock wheels this big?
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, that's big. When you sprayed in a little bit of bed liner, which
Yeah.
not only sets it off but preserves it, which is nice. And I love these, kind of straight, square
looking fenders, yeah.
And she sits up pretty high too. And back to your hook up here, you can probably drag just about anything with this sucker.
Yeah.
Now, normally at this point, I'd say, well, let's go up and have a look at that engine. But you really can't see the engine in this, right? It's like
No.
buried, and you're sitting on it. And
Yeah.
if you open it up, you see the air cleaner, probably.
Air cleaner and a recovery tank for the radiator.
How big an engine is it?
It's a flathead 6-cylinder, 226 cubic inch, 100 horsepower.
Man, I mean, this thing looks pretty heavy. Will that even pull this?
Yeah, it moves it along pretty good.
So what does this baby
It's
weigh?
geared really low,
Yeah, well, I would imagine that. What does this
Yeah.
weigh, though?
right about 3,000.
Oh, I would have expected another 1,000. It's really kind of light.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. It's rated as a 1-ton.
Well, I gotta tell you, man, it's the only one I've ever seen. It's completely insane. It's a 1960 Jeep forward control 4-wheel drive.
Yes.
Wild machine, Bob.
Thank you.
I love it.